Guys, welcome to another video. It is currently 8:55 on a Sunday. I forgot what time. Let me turn on my fan. I forgot I had it running. Alright, we're gonna do the Among Us thingy. We're also playing Subway Surfers right now. Can you guys hear it? I can't tell if you guys can hear it or not. Oh. I'll have it blasting in your guys' ears. Today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. I'm going to turn on. And I actually like this little new Among Us lab. It's actually really cool. I like it. So here's the first question of the day. What is your favorite Subway Surfers character? My favorite is Chicky, aka the girl with the red beanie. Oh no, I found a dead body. I gotta report it. So basically, if you don't know what Among Us is, it's basically like a little game where you're in space and there's a certain amount of imposters and you have tasks to do and you have to do them, or the imposters will win. And the imposters will like sabotage stuff and Subway Surfers. I love Subway Surfers. It's a pretty cool game to play. I am playing as Among Us Jake right now. Jake is But either way, yeah. I'm not tired yet. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I had a sleepover with my best friend yesterday. Well, it actually ended today. But yeah, we had a sleepover. And it was super fun. Well, I had a great time. I don't know about her. But I definitely had a great time. I'm gonna pause it so you guys don't have to deal with the ad. Alright, we are back. Ooh. Guys, look. And guys, let's go to Chicago. Ooh, are we like in space? You guys seeing this? It's so slow right now. I wish it could go faster. Don't ball. So basically you just get rewards each time, I believe. Pretty fun. Here's the second question of the day. What's your favorite color? By the way, all these questions I'm trying to like make sure they like kind of theme with the game we're playing right now. And when I mean color, because you could choose your color crewmate you play as in Among Us. My favorite color is purple, so I normally like to be purple. Alright, so here's another question for you guys. What is your favorite accessory that you have IRL? IRL means in real life, if you didn't know, by the way. My favorite accessory I have is a bracelet. I really like bracelets. I didn't even mean to die there, but that's fine. Guys, look at that! Alright, well. I guess again what I'm thinking. Collect and report. Token. Okay. Rounds 1 out of 5. So there's more rounds, eh? Well, alright. Alright, what is our next question of the day going to be? I like to ask a few questions now. Make sure you drink water and stuff. We always want to make sure you're very, very hydrated. I want to see if I can pull something off. So you can pull that off. Did you guys know that you could pull that off? I actually didn't know that you could do that. But I guess you can now. I'm gonna let you guys listen to the music for a little bit now. I'll hush. By the way, don't worry about any background noise. Alright, that's enough quiet time for you guys. I don't think it was really that quiet. But still, no more quiet time. Oh, we got a thingy. Crate? I forgot what they're called. And I still play this game and I forgot what they're called. Anyways, we're gonna probably go to the store when we get some more rewards. I don't know how long the video's been, but we're not gonna check it. We're not even gonna worry about how long it is. It's long, it's good. I mean, more entertainment for people, that's good. Don't worry about that. I forgot to put my phone on silent. I'm gonna put my phone on silent real quick. Hold on. Alright, my phone is now on Do Not Disturb. All tokens collected. You know what that means. No ads for you guys. Alright, we're back and the ad actually kicked me out. So guys, isn't that fun, right? Fun. Super duper fun. Surf the train for a better view. Shaking spray cameras. Okay. Ooh. Only if I had Tasha, right, guys? Ooh, okay. Oh, that's fun. Do I have Tasha? Ooh, hi, Eddie. I want Pumpkin Pete. Where can I find him? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Money. We're broke for a reason, guys. I really want him. It's fine, we're not gonna spend money on a game. Who's Tasha? This is Tasha, right? Look at her. We're gonna use her now. What works? You guys see me? Don't know when I got this. We're gonna use this one for a little bit because that's super speed. Hey guys, look! Free keys. Alright, what do you guys want to do? Claim stuff today? Well, we're not gonna do that right now. Oh yeah, it is Waterloo. What? Fun. I know. I know. I know. Bronzer. Fun. I can get to that. I can get to that. You know what? How much you guys want to bet I can get it? How much you guys want to bet I can do that? With boosters or without boosters? You know what? No, we're gonna try without boosters. No boosters. None at all. Ooh. Guys, look at us. We have hair. It's so pretty. Get the sugar skull away. Gooey is today's word. Can you guys spell gooey? Why was my volume all the way up? I don't know. I won't break your eardrums today, guys. I'm gonna be kind today.